So this is the new challenge, corridor. Can you escape the corridor? Why not? So let's see the text one. You have found yourself in this strange corridor. Can you find your way back to where you came? In this challenge, you will explore the potential door. Examine the URL endpoints and you can access to navigate the website and note that the hexadecimal value you find, they look an awful lot like a hash, don't they? Okay, so I have to note this hash. This could help you uncover website location. Okay, so the hash will help us to uncover website location. You were not expected to access start machine. So we'll get IP and we will go to that IP location. Also copy, let's paste that shit. So it is asking what is the flag. So the hidden string is there and we have to find that hidden string. Let's go on hint. Where do those doors take you? The number and letter seems to follow the pattern. Okay, so we have to note things like hash that will uncover us to website location, and the hint says where do those doors take you. So we have to note the doors on the website too. The numbers and the letters seems to follow a pattern. Okay, so the numbers only there will be like hash, and those hash okay, so those hash seems to follow some pattern. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see, inspect, like again inspect, la, see on its body. Okay, so here is called map. Boom. So the hint said that the numbers follow some pattern again. So a lot of numbers. This is similar to one of our pen tester group CTF. I think it is made by some Susil. Okay, so you can see here it is href and this the pattern. Okay, so these are hash, but like let's try to oh, you can see the pointer. Okay, pointer. Okay, you can see the cursor. Let's try to click here. So it redirect me to this. Let's see page source. That is something like integrity. I think that is just for integrity maintain. Like if someone manipulate the code, should not be loaded. I think I should do something like it's mainly called IDOR, and we have noted that if you click and you can see this hex code. Like if you change like this code, I think we'll redirect to the something special page. So let's go on inspect again, map it, and I think we should copy all this. If you notice that the href and the alt here are same, so you can copy from many. We have to copy all this and like crack those hashes. Okay, so for that let's go to crack station. Crack station. So it is crack station. You might like wondering, hashes cannot be it's a one way, it cannot be crack or something like that. And just that if you use the weak password, then it will automatically crack it, because everything is available in internet. All your like insecure code hashes, everything are available. Just copy those. I think I just know everything, but obviously I know it's 0. Okay, let's see, it's 0. It's 0. Okay, it's just we need to hash those by from like, okay, so let's find out the hash. So we don't know what hash is used to. I think it's MD5, obviously. Now if it's 11, you will think like it will be 12, but in like CTF it will be way more down, like 0, and it is something similar like that. I know, like I'm just not a robot. Crack hashes, you know, we can do this by hashcat, but the server are way too fast. Like, okay, our message is not that fast, so it is MD5 obviously, and you can see the result 1. So basically the 1 is, you know, MD5, and it is given this MD5 hash code. So looking on down the pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9, and like we might think it will be like if we perform some idle, like, you know, this slash and let's fucking cut, and this one is 1, right? So let's copy this and like this paste. So if you navigate to this, you'll get this, like, okay. So basically if we change the site, like, you know, the parameter like this, and you can see here it's 13. Okay, so if we think like it's 14 and you just change this, like, I mean, look, the 13 is MD5 to this. Okay, so if 14 is MD5 to something, and if we change that this parameter, then obviously we'll redirect to something. Okay, but I know it is not like 14, I know it's a 0. Okay, so we just need to cyber safe it. Okay, cyber. So this is an amazing tool. Okay, so just we have to just like think like 0. Okay, let's try 14. Okay, so we just need like MD5. Where is my MD5, bro? Just like drag it here, and the thing is going on. So this is our 14 code. Okay, so let's just copy, and like before I said, it's idor. So it's idor. We change this. Okay, so no found. Okay, the URL you requested not found in server. So basically there is no page loaded in server. So it's not 14 in mid, right? 15 16, but okay, I know it's 0. So you can see our code automatically changes here. So just copy that thing and just like paste, and okay, just let me do pasting. Okay, so let's just hit this boy, enter. Hello friends, just press enter button. Okay, so I have pressed my enter button. Oh, and boom, we got the flag. So this is the hidden string. So let's copy this. Okay, so this hidden string was hidden. Paste, and let's submit that sheet. Congratulations, we have just done it. Corridor. So what is this? This is nothing but this idor vulnerability. What is idor? So I've done similar like that. We navigate to this IP. I just change the, you know, the profile number like this, and I just get the value. Just pay this. So what is idor? So you can see idor refers to the situation. It's called like insecure direct object reference. It refers to the situation where user can manipulate the input to bypass the authorization due to poor access control. Okay, so IDOR was the 4th on the OSAP top 10 list in 2013 before it was published under the broken access control in 2017. To learn more about IDOR, consider the following example, and these are the examples. So OSAP top 10s. You can see here the broken. Okay, this is 2017 and this is 2021. Like you can see the changes here. The injection was in like injection, and it is in like 1 2 3 third in OSAP top 10. The broken access control is in like top 1. So the developers out there, please check out the access control. Okay, don't give access to anyone just by changing the URL parameter. Okay, make sure your system is secure. Okay, so the corridor one, this back to this shit. and need to do some tubal forensics, malware analysis, and packet analysis. Just a Wireshark gap analysis, I guess. Pretty bad on that. I've not done much, but the things are here. You can do it. We'll do it. Just like boring stuff, so I left it. Like, who'll waste time on investigating is like da. Just penetrate in and run away. But it's not like the case. We need to be SOC. The dreaming of insecure apps. The bad fucking shit was this pivoting, right? Like that shit. It's just like it's a networking stuff. Such fuck you, Dakar. Pivoting, I've done so much. The best was this memory forensics. No, analyzing your RAM. Nothing, just capturing dumb files. Heap down. चलो बाबा, shoot, मेरा बच्चा है तू.